One of the biggest questions people ask before moving to Costa Rica is the following: how are you actually making money? Because let's be honest, a lot of people dream about living in Costa Rica. I mean, we have the beaches, we have the lower lifestyle, the nature, the freedom, more time with your family, and then reality kicks in. How do you actually support yourself and your loved ones once you're there? And that is exactly what I want to talk to you about in this video. Hi, I am Dirk. You don't see me often on this channel. More is Muriel that makes the videos on this channel. But I just wanted to share this with you because what I'm going to share you in this video is what made it possible to live here in Costa Rica. We bought about 2.5 hectares. It's about 5.5 acres here in 2019, and we moved here in 2018. And we don't have a job, we don't work locally, etc., etc., because that will be a living nightmare if you ask me. And what's the point in living in paradise here on the beach while you're working 50, 60, 70 hours a week? I did that in the Netherlands. I cannot recommend it. So for us, it was not opening a restaurant, clearly, and it was not buying rental properties and doing that, and it was not going to be the local job because that was impossible. You don't get a permit to work here, so difficult. We build an online income from home, and that is, it sounds like, oh, there we go again, but that was what makes it possible to live here and work 2-3 hours a day, and that's it, and really enjoy what Costa Rica has to offer. Be honest, I believe this is one of the biggest opportunities people have today. The internet, we scroll and we watch information, but you can also let it work in your benefit. If you want more freedom and this, especially location independence, then the internet is the solution again and again and again. And this is what, we are doing already for 12 years. Now, before we moved to Costa Rica, we were definitely not financially free. Far from it. We had stress, we had a lot of debt, we had uncertainty, and like many people, we thought freedom was something that, only was available to other people, with a lot of money and stuff like that. But everything changed once we started to learn something, and one simple thing: you no longer need to live in the same place where your income comes from. When somebody told me that, I was started me thinking, and the internet changed everything. So, what is it that we actually do? You can have the internet, you can reach anyone you like. So you can do affiliate marketing, you can do your own products, you can do all these things. But if you have zero experience, I believe that selling other people's products is the easy way to start, and then from there you can continue. So that's what we started to use a product. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. And what I love about it is just not another making money online thing, because we all know those. Those do this and do that, and then tomorrow you're rich. No, absolutely not. However, if there is a done-for-you startup thing that makes life easy, yes, then it's suddenly now you can have a fast start. And meanwhile, you go into the learning mode and learn how everything works for yourself and continue from there. But in the basic, it's a complete turnkey system that teaches people how to build an online business using attraction marketing. aka you share what you're passionate about. You talk about things you already, you love, you're passionate about. You create content, you attract people, and you build relationships online. That's basically what you can do. And you can share your life here in Costa Rica. Now, let me show you something very, very quick here. This here, what you see is our income, one of our income dashboards. And you see we just passed the $200,000 with this turnkey business system. And as you can see, this is what makes life possible here. And trust me, Costa Rica is not cheap, so you can multiply this as well. The important part is a large of this is residual, meaning that it comes every single month. So you're not stressed in a way of like, oh, okay, I got a good month, but next month, oh my God, what do I need to do? People stay here customer month after month after month. And that's important because residual income creates stability, and stability creates freedom. And that is how you can live here in Costa Rica. Now, let me show you exactly how ridiculously simple it is, because most online business models are way more complicated than it need to be. And at the core, there are really only four things that are happening. And that is social media gets your attention, an opt-in page collects the emails, a bridge page builds trust, and an email follow-up builds your relationship. And then the product creates the income or the customers. So what does it look like? If I make it visual for you here, social media is where you attract, you attract the right customers. Your opt-in page is where you receive the contact information. You build your email list. This is email. These are emails that are sent out automated. And this is your bridge page where you have more trust. And this is your product, whatever that may be. This is something you can build around your passion. Maybe you want to help people to move to Costa Rica. You can talk about that. Maybe your passion is fitness. Maybe it's yoga. Maybe it's coaching. Maybe you're a health freak and maybe you love travel. Maybe you have a real estate business. The system stays the same. So what does it look like? Exactly always this. So I was talking about the turnkey system and how does that look like. So this in front is more or less the same. If we go back to this page, there is a fast start. They have tools that you can use to invite people on automated, on Facebook. So that is something you have at your hands here. Then the turnkey business, you get a ready to go page. This is the page you can use. A income system where 80% of every single dollar comes back to you. 80%. So that's very, very nice. It's residual. So people leave their name and then get instant access. And they arrive on this page. So if I see this page, I can have all the information I need. Mike and Paul, we know them already, I think 12, 13 years. We met somewhere when we already got started. They started their own company. It's called the Home Business Academy. And they started working from there. And our roads crossed again, and we started to see, and they started this in 2016. So we started to read and listen, and my experience is that there is so much out there. So what can you trust? What is there? Well, for me, one thing is that they are here already since 2016. So 10 years anniversary this year. Amazing. They keep developing a compensation plan that has never ever changed. So they paid 80% commissions, and they've done that from day one, and they're still doing that. And often you see what it says here, 30-40%. So great. So go below this video, you find the direct link to this turnkey business. Go for yourself, go check it out and go see how it works. The great thing in this situation is that Paul, this guy, is a very experienced, well-known email marketer. And he will send out emails on your behalf. He does it on my behalf. And all the links in the emails are dedicated to you. So if he makes a sale, you get the credits. And that is something that gave me a peace of mind and how I could work with this. So at the right bottom, you have an AI. It's called Sage. So I already typed in some questions. Hey, can I create an income with HBA so I can move to Costa Rica? Yeah. Hey, what a dream. Costa Rica is beautiful. The short answer is yes. HBA is built around creating the kind of residual income that gives you location freedom. And this is key. Everything is digital, so you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. And do you have a monthly income? Okay, there's a question I get back, so you can answer that. Hey, can I use sharing my passion to attract customers? Absolutely. That is actually one of the best ways to build with HBA. So it's about creating content and being out there. And I don't know, can Canadians do this? Apparently, yes, of course. Yes, of course, absolutely. HBA is available in Canada, and it's worldwide, And so go ahead, follow the link below this video and go and explore. And if you want to test drive it, if you want to see the inside, you can go all the way down here. They already paid 7.1 million in residual. You have 2 referrals, you are in profit, so that makes it that you have 0 cost. That's what 80% commission does. So go ahead and go check it out. And then, Muriel gives coaching and guidance as well. There is within HBA, you have like daily live coaching here. So this daily, you can tap into this. And, I don't know. This is what got us to Costa Rica. So that is super great. So go check it out. It's $35 to test drive it. If you like it, you're on board. If you don't like it, hey. But if I look here on the side socials, you can see that residual income is like ongoing. Unfortunately, we lost a very dear member today. He had an accident and he passed away, so that's why you see this. But this is also means that you see how close and how warm this community is. This was last year on an event, but this is what most important is for me right now, is that so many people make residual income. You see that? Residual, and this is what creates that freedom. And yeah, so let's continue in moving up. This is, there was a very clean capture page, so that does it for you. Paul writes the emails for you, and then later on you can learn to set this up. There is a funnel builder. You can import it, and if you have a let's say one of the great things of this AI is that if you have members that come and they have questions you don't have the answers you can redirect them to there. You can, hey, go check out the AI and ask all your questions, or you can use the AI to find the answers. That's what I do as well. And yeah, I'm just focusing on creating content, sending people to this page, and that's it. But eventually, if you want to build your own business, maybe you're a coach, maybe you are a yoga teacher and want to give yoga lessons here, or you have your own real estate business or your own consultant business, you build your own system here, because the system stays the same. This exact same system, you can attract new customers to your business as well. But while you're learning, you can use this on automated, just focus on sending traffic. And how do you send traffic? That's all explained within the system. And you see how many people make sales here day after day after day. Every business needs attention, lead generation, follow-up, and an offer. That never changes. So, and honestly, I think that's one of the biggest reasons why so many people struggle financially after moving abroad. They don't have this. They move, and then, the income model stays the same. They still depend on one location. So what if you move here and you don't like it? You're stuck. But when your income depends on that one, well, let's say when your income depends on that one location, your freedom is always limited. So, but when you learn to generate an income online, wow, everything changes. Now you're free. Now you can decide where you live. Now, obviously, this is not some magical one thing overnight. You still need to learn skills, and you still need to be consistent, and you still need to put yourself out there. Yes, these are uncomfortable, but the opportunity is real. You saw the results, and for us personally, it completely changes our life. The way we are living here since 2018, we work from home. I'm home with my kids. We spend more time as a family. We have more freedom over our schedule, and we are no longer tied to one physical location. Actually, our property is for sale because we are moving to the other side of Costa Rica after 7 years to start over again over there. So that is, so that's great. Our listing of our property, this is like 2.5 acres, 5.5 acres, 2.5 hectares, and yeah, if you find 4 families, this is a great spot to share and build a little community. Anyway, if you're making money, if money is one of the things that is holding you back from moving to Costa Rica, please don't let that be the reason. This is honestly something really worth looking at. It helped us so much, and I'll leave all the information below this video in the description. Go check it out, go follow the link, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments. And if you want more videos about living in Costa Rica, moving abroad, location independent income, and building more freedom, hey, absolutely follow our channel here, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. See you soon. Ciao.